you are belong to a rich family, so why are you saying a middle class can't afford like go to the
So how
economic?
you can survive your life? Because the rich family, they have lot of business as well as the Ratan Tata.
People, but middle class people also generating jobs, also creating many types of jobs.
At the 9 to 5 job, and the richer class always think about investing their money to other companies, so they can generate.
Middle class family always better than rich families because they live simple life. They always
That is why you want to earn money. Why are
At that
you are
time,
not
middle class families suffer a lot. So what do you think? You are doing the good things?
Your family is almost good because
How are you? I'm good, and today we are here to play a debate, and we have selected the two teams. And Indrajit, so the team. This is your first team. I want to take the review. And what's your name?
Aman,
Aman. Why are you sitting here?
for playing debate.
For playing holy or debate?
Debate.
So Aman, what topic you got?
Rich family.
Rich family. He got the topic. Rich family. He will support today. And now Indrajit, come with me. Now he can talk. Say. What's your name, sir?
Akash Sharma.
Cheetah.
Tiger.
Tiger. So why your name is Tiger?
It's up to you. It's
No, Akash, I think Akash. So Akash, what we are going to play today?
well, we are gonna have the argumentation activity in which I'm going to support the middle class.
Middle class. And
The voice
you are
of-
from rich family or
No.
middle class?
I belongs from 90% of
So
crowd.
now what are you going to see? He's playing a debate and he's going to support middle class family, and somewhere the person who are watching video, maybe you are the rich or middle class, we don't know, but today you will enjoy. But you are not looking Josila today. Looking Josila?
No, we are over the moon, sir.
Really?
We are over the moon.
So I think I want to check the Joes of them. Ready?
Yes.
No, ready? Really?
So today I'm going to raise the 90% voice of middle class people. We all know that they are the one who have been suffering from very long time. They have been not giving the result which they deserve. So I guess that our economy has been raised just because of them. So they are supposed to give the availed.
No, sir. You have mentioned that economy is increasing just because of your, classes. But it is not like that. We are the people. We are the rich families, and we are playing a very significant role to, regulate the economy. And economic system is existing just because of us. Because we are investing our money, we are investing our skills towards to regulate the economy.
No, sir, you are taking a wrong because you are belong to a rich family. So why are you saying a middle class can't afford like go to the economic? They can also be a grow economic by that, and the middle class, they have their values, etiquettes and manners, how to talk to the
First
person.
of all, you need to understand the simple thing, the basic things. Like if the rich family is not there, so how you can survive your life? Because the rich family, they have lot of business as well as the Ratan Tata, the Jio. They have lot of companies. By that, the poor people and the middle class family, they are getting the job for doing something. Just because of that, we are surviving. As well as now you can see, just because of the rich family, we have the lot of economies.
You are
as well
surviving.
as-
You are saying, you want to say that you are giving jobs to people, but middle class people also generating jobs, also creating many types of jobs in the market. And but jobs
I
are
think
small, but
I
they
think
are
middle class are
providing
not
jobs
doing anything
to the
because
needy person.
of the fact that the richer are become richer because they are doing something special that middle class are not doing. Middle class are very comfortable with their own job that they are doing at the 9 to 5 job, and the richer class always think about investing their money to other companies so they can generate jobs in India.
Listen to me. I want to say a thing that middle class family always better than rich families because they live simple life. They always live with simplicity, and the main thing is that they care for
okay,
their
sir?
family.
So listen me first. So why are you want to become a rich people? Why are you always not become a middle class family? You want become a rich people. That is why you want to earn money. Why are you are
So
not?
sir, don't
satisfied-
you think inflation increased just because of rich people? Don't you think at that time middle class families suffer a lot? So what do you think? You are doing the good things? You are not doing the good things because inflation increased just because of you. And when that increase, middle class family suffer a lot. They just they want to.
before thinking, are you thought what are you saying? Like middle family is not good. Richer family is almost good because why we are richer? Because we are doing a hard work in a previous time. That's why we are richer. And you are talking about richer family is not good.
How you could how you could say that middle class family are not good? Do you know about them? just visit their house and they are more happy than you. You are just earning the money. You don't, and you have the fear that if somebody snatch our money.
Okay,
then
ma'am,
what
I say
happens?
something. You don't have a mind, because when the people need us some money, so they respect also their people, rich family. But in middle family, they don't have a mind to respect their people, because they earn the 15K.
Ma'am,
so
ma'am,
that time
ma'am,
they
listen.
don't respect their family. But rich family,
Ma'am, listen
they
to me,
respect their family also.
Rich family always run for money, but we middle class always feel for emotions. We care for our family, but rich families are hiring for everything, pupils for everything. They are hiring for making foods. They are hiring people for
What
washing
kind of
their
hiding
clothes.
you are talking about? You know about the richer peoples, they always have a good lifestyle because they know how to live a life. Middle class don't know about this. They are very happy with their comfortable life. But the richer class know where how to run a country. Let me speak. Well, I would like to let you know that yesterday one clip was watched in that Akshay Kumar had said that he had visited the house of farmer. In that house, he had found more peace than his own house. Though he was saying that he is having each and everything what a person should have, but in spite of that, he had more
Akash sir,
peace.
it is not a matter of clip. It is a matter of reality. And we are the people who is creating revolution throughout the world. And we are regulating the world economy as well. We are, acting as per our tendency. We are paying our skills, our efficiency towards moving the
you want
economic
to say
system.
that you are contributing to increase GDP, but we are also contributing to increase our GDP. We are paying taxes to the government. We are paying GST. We are filing ITR. So how could you say that?
Okay, sir, listen me first.
Only you are the rich person and you are contributing to the GDP. We are also contributing.
Okay, so tell me about this one thing. We are earning money so hardly, and it is not a cup of tea. And the middle class people always jealous for us because we have money, we have so many cars.
It doesn't mean that if you are earning money, then middle class people are jealousing for you. You are wrong, because if the middle class, they are earning money, they have respect, how to care the people, how to get talk to someone, how to respect that they have cares. But in rich class, they don't have. They only just running for their money and they don't do anything else. They just want to earn money, and they are not
you
making,
need
and,
the
and they are not
education.
making their
You
family
need
happy.
the education,
and
because
the reason that their
it is
family
not
are
all
not
about-
making their happy, and they are just running for the money. They are not making their family happy. They are not giving their times, and where he
Okay,
should
first
have
of all, you
spent.
need to understand it is a education purpose, or you are talking about the richer and the poor, because that is all about the education. If you are having a good education, so there are a lot of the people who are educated.
So what about
they are
those
well
people?
behaved
What
with the
about
people, because
those-
if you are not educated, so definitely
Excuse
the
me,
poor
sir.
people
Now
and the
listen to
middle
me.
class people also
Listen
think
to
like
me.
that.
So what about those people who are preparing for the UPSC exam? According to you, the aspirant of UPSC
Yes, ma'am,
exam,
shut
they
up.
all are
First,
rich.
listen
How I
carefully.
can shut up?
When you say,
According to you, if
shut
you are
up,
rich,
ma'am.
so you are the king
I
of
cut
this
your
world.
point. When you go to any place, so rich family doing the hard work. That's why they achieve more money. When you have a
No,
little
rich
bit
family,
shut
rich
up.
family don't do hard
I
work.
say
Shut up.
first,
You need to
listen.
shut your mouth.
You don't
You
have
don't
a money,
anything.
so that
No,
time
we
you
have
go
money.
to
We have
outside.
money. We are spending.
Shut up.
We are not wasting money. We are not wasting money. Just going anywhere. Just wasting money. Because in the rich
No,
family, they don't.
you
they
don't
don't
like to
have
do
happiness.
anything.
They are not
Let me
using
tell you
their
one thing.
emotions.
The richer people are the one who create money, and the lower people ask for money, and that's why there's disparity between both of them. It's a mentality issue that the richer people know how to multiply.
Do you
the
want
money.
to listen the truth? The
No,
bitter
I don't want
truth
to
is-
listen
no,
your
you
truth.
have to
The
listen.
truth
The
are faith.
bitter truth is that your entire life is just showing. You want to purchase a luxurious car just because the showing. You think that the poor people is nothing in front of you, but they are
Okay,
mean
now
something.
you
You
can
know
shut up your mouth, because you
How
can turn. You will get your turn. It's my turn. Okay. Like, there are those people, they want to be born in a richer family. They didn't want to be born in a middle family, because of in a richer family we get lot of things. Like, if you want to be a cricketer, if you want to be a doctor.
Well, ma'am, you must have born while taking the silver wound, but most of people haven't born like this. And for most of the business people, for most of the business tycoon, middle class people have become the taboo, because they are not letting them to.
Okay,
get
sir,
rich
listen
poor.
me first.
That is the
In
most
your
thing.
team, the
And
one
what's
girl
most
said
important
same
one
thing
is
are
that
richer
they are-
people-
Middle class people are making the most.
Richer people are
startup
pursuing
better
a-
than the business tycoon. They are the one who is contributing far more than richest people. So can't you understand this simple thing? You are supposed to think that.
So, sir, in your team, one girl mentioned it. You are purchasing a luxury car. In this car, we are pay a 0.5% GST. Like we are purchase a 40 lakhs car like Fortuner. Its price is 60 lakh. Why we are paying a GST? And this GST you will spend in the roadside. We will pay GST and you will feeding in your stomach.
Wait a minute. You are not paying any GST. You are just wasting your money. You are paying import taxes to the government, which is very completely irrelevant. Nobody want to buy that type of cars which has double price. If you are, for example, you are buying a car in Indian market of 20 lakh rupees, and you are importing same car from the other country at 40 lakh rupees. So what makes the sense?
Okay, now I will tell you the sense. Like the simple thing is that if the richest family is not there, if they are not manufacturing the company, if they didn't make any kind of company, so how you will get the money? There are lot of the people who are earning the money for doing some of the job. In a richer family, they open some kind of the business. By that, the people get some of the job, and by that, the
Wait a minute.
the development is going
Wait
there.
a minute, bro. Wait a minute. You richer family always do unethical things. First of all, you have lot of black money, and also middle class families don't have any black money and don't have any issues with their families, and you are also taking drugs from buying from Indian market and also spreading drugs.
What kind of
in the
unethical
clubs.
things you are
What
talking about?
makes the
Most
sense
of the
this-
criminals,
this
most of the
thing?
druggers coming from the lower background, and you're talking about the Jeff family doing that. We don't do that. We create jobs, we create businesses, we create how to run a system, and you are not doing anything. You are the ones who created false system in our society. So you should think about that. Richer people know how to talk with someone. You don't know how to talk with someone. That's why you are just stay where you are, and that's why we richer people know very well how to communicate with other businessmen and how to
So
communicate.
you know how to talk with others. Mostly people are here, they are rich and they don't have the manners to talk with poor people. Even I see a lot of people, they have a car and they just park their car in the street, and they doesn't allow to anybody to go there. So this is your manners. Just
Now
work
I
on
will tell you
yourself.
the manners. What is the manners?
Now tell me.
Now you can see the newses. In a newses, what you can see, there are a lot of the middle class people who are just committing the suicide as well as crime. But have you seen the richer people who did any kind of crime? The crime is increasing just because of the middle class family, not for the richer
Well,
family.
brother.
Have you seen anyone in a
Well,
roadside
brother.
who are just taking the
Hello.
bribe to anyone? The middle
Listen to
class
me.
family do these
Well,
things.
I would like to say one statement which you would subscribe, that every richer once upon a time are middle class person. Whether it's Ambani, whether it's Tata, they have come in that field by facing the middle class circumstances. Now they have become. Now they have got.
Sir, firstly, you all have to understand that you all are moving in air bubbles. You are not coming to the point. And what is the factual thing in it? I think you all are not aware about the Marxism. You all are not aware about the 1789 French Revolution. And that's why you all are just talking about the unethical things. But the fact is that we are the creator, we are the investor, we are the creator of this economic system. And we have to pay our attention towards it.
What are
we
you
are
contributing?
drawing
What
the
are you
attention of this
contributing, bro?
world.
We are also contributing to GDP. We are also paying taxes. I told you earlier. We are
Clap for
also.
everyone. Clap.